How to find referral code in Gotyme. Hey guys, in this tutorial we're gonna see how you can find your referral code on the Gotyme app. So go ahead and log into your account on Gotyme Bank app. Once you are logged in, you can find the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Just head over there and you'll be able to see all of your bank information. Now, in some cases, if the feature is available on your region, you could just go ahead and scroll down and find an option to invite friend. And if you tap on that option, you should be able to see your referral link or your code. Just go ahead and tap on it to copy the code, and you can share the link or the code to your friend. And whenever they log in using your referral code or create an account using it, you should get a small commissions from that on your account. So you could also head over to your settings menu to adjust your settings like your passcode, your fingerprints, and read through the terms and conditions as well. But if the feature is not available, then that means you don't have it on your region yet, or Gotyme has not launched it on your specific area. So you are going to have to keep an eye out to see when it will be available. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.